Watch where you block us.
Well, on behalf of the old Port-Harcourt Township PARAGONS and the people of old Port-Harcourt Township, past and present, we present this award to a performing council chairman. To a graceful politician. We present this award to a beautiful, classy, lady of power. May I today have the honor, on behalf of all of this crowd, make this award to you as the female trailblazer icon of old Port-Harcourt Township. On this special day, when we are still celebrating what? Love. This is a great lady, a lady of love.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Versatile TV.
May I invite the State Commissioner for Special Project, Dr. Obe White, to please step forward and help us with the next presentation.
Please can we humbly and respectfully call on Honorable Matthew Tekena Obosi. Bosi, pardon me.
Can we have the Commissioner for Special Duties on stage, please? Project, I beg your pardon.
Honorable Matthew Tekena Obosi. Congratulations. Please put your hands together. Port-Harcourt, are we awake? Put your hands together.